we doing, Dan?
Probably gonna die.
We probably will.
We ain't got no brakes.
Eh, they're marginal. Oh yeah, you're good. What are we driving, Dan?
Big block, 69, Barracuda, 383, 4-speed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we got no brakes.
Ah, they're okay. They're not, I wouldn't say no brakes.
This is the tightest fucking shifter I've ever fucking driven.
I know. It's way tighter than a normal 833.
Want a fucking race?
This is pretty fucking cool. Huh?
27 fucking years this thing sat in the fucking garage. I'll race you for titles. God damn.
It's pretty wicked. French fresh out of the barn. You can't hardly see out the fucking windshield. I can see better through the camera.
See, the front tires ain't working at all.
Woo!
Got a little wheel hop.
A little bit.
God damn it.
It's a very tight gearbox.
God, smell like rubber?
Yeah. That's some old rubber. Had some comfy ass seats.
Yeah, those front bench ain't bad.
No, I kind of like it. That's what I'm putting in my Charger. Huh. We're up here at Dan's body shop, who's doing the body work for my dad's Charger. And just got to...
Mopars Unlimited headquarters, motherfucker.
That it is. I'm glad I don't get paid for YouTube anymore. I'd get demonetized for that one. But little clues to what we just went for a ride in. Factory, big block, 4-speed.
Fucking run good.
Yeah. A real deal. Dan and I just did a quick rebuild on that Holly. Yeah, never again. Those Hollies are junk.
Trash.
Vacuum secondaries ain't the way to go.
I don't know, but we sure fucking did a gnarly burnout.
Yeah, that we did. This car's in exceptionally good shape. It's sat for 28 years. 27 years. Parental barn find. That's close.
Garage find.
Garage find, that's the proper term. Barn find's been thrown around way too much in the recent years. I'd say the car's for sale, but we're pretty sure it's already sold. No?
Not quite yet.
We drained the gas tank out, and that's the fuel that came out of it. That's a pretty color. Oh, that was definitely cool. I just couldn't resist filming that. And over in that corner, you can see my dad's Charger. There it is. Only all of other Dan's projects he's working on for people. That's a Formula S. But I don't know why I'm surprised by that.
Right.
That was fun, Dan.
You know, I agree.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you, it was a joy to drive.
It was fun to ride in.
Let me tell you.
Once again, I got to be the guy to fire up the fucking car.
Actually, you drove it first.
Technically, yeah. Started up the Superbird first and then this car. Well, Dan, do you want to end my video for me? Cool. Close enough.